Good morning, Mila.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Mila. Good morning. It's wonderful to have you here with me again. How's your day, Mila? Good. What did you do in the morning?
Go to school.
Oh, okay. You went to school. What about in the afternoon? What will you do? What will you do in the
Um, I go to school.
Oh, you'll go to school as well. Okay. Did you eat your lunch already, Mela?
No,
Oh, not yet. Are you hungry now?
no.
Oh, not yet, too. Okay, please make yourself comfortable, Mela. Now let me share my screen, and for today we'll have the continuation about talking about your book. Okay, so now, Mela, can you tell me? Oh, last time we talked about imagining if you're a fruit tree, right? And you want to be an apple tree. Can you still remember? Can you still remember, Mila? You told me
Um,
you wanted to be an apple tree. Last time we talked about imagining if you're a fruit tree, and you told me you wanted to be an apple tree.
Lần trước chúng ta đã nói về việc tưởng tượng bạn là một cây ăn quả và bạn nói với tôi rằng bạn muốn trở thành một cây táo.
Can you still remember that?
yeah.
Okay, so now we'll continue talking about it, Mela. So if you're an apple tree, then where would you be planted, Mela? Where do you want to be planted? You want to be planted where?
In the garden.
Oh, in the garden. Now, if someone comes and plucks a fruit from you, how would you feel? If someone comes and plucks your fruits, how would you feel?
Nếu có người đến hái trộm trái cây của bạn, bạn sẽ cảm thấy thế nào?
Don't know.
You don't know. Just imagine, would you be happy, Bella, or you will be sad because it would hurt? You have to imagine, Bella. Would you be happy? Do you think if you're an apple tree and everyone loves plucking your fruits, do you think you would be happy, Mela?
Um, I don't know.
You don't know? But you have to imagine, Mela. You have to answer this question, Mela. How would you feel?
I think happy.
Oh, you would be happy. Yes, I believe, Mela, every fruit would really be happy if someone would pluck their fruit because that means they're good, Mela. And that is their purpose to give us a fruit that we can eat. Now, do you think you would be happy as a tree? If you're an apple tree, do you think would you would be happy? Mela, if you are an
Uh,
apple tree, would you be happy? Are you sleepy now? Wait.
no, 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 no.
Okay, do you think you would be happy as an apple tree?
Yeah.
Yes. Why, Mila? Why would you be happy?
Mm, I don't know.
You don't know. Because in that way, you'll be able to give lots of fruits to everyone, Mela. It could be free fruits to your family, or they can earn money by selling the fruits you provide. Okay, that is some reasons, Mela, why you would be happy as an apple tree. Now, in here, Mela, I want you to rewrite each sentence in the correct order. So you have to use full stops, capital letters, and question marks where necessary. Yes, you have to write your answers here, Mela. I don't want you to tell me your answer. Okay. So whenever you're ready, please start, Mela. Please write your answer and follow the correct way of answering it. Okay, full stops, capital letters, question marks.
And it is
No, Mela, sadly you can't. I'm so sorry, Mela, because I have to see whether you're using the correct punctuation and as well as capitalization of letters. Sorry, Mela. Just take your time, okay? Answer 1 to 5 first, Mela, and then we'll check your answers right away, okay? Please take your time, Mela. What about for 2? What about 3, Mela? Mm-hmm. I
wait.
finished. Okay, yeah. It's fine, Mila. Take your time. I'll wait for you. Mm-hmm. Okay. What about four? Mm-hmm. My father worked early to drove this morning. Okay. Last one, Mila, and we'll check your answers. Mm-hmm. Did he wear uniform, Fred, not school? Are you sure with all your answers, Mila? Are you sure with all your answers? Sure now? Okay, let us
I
check
don't know.
it. You don't know. Okay, so now the first one, Mila, indeed it is a question. May I use your pen? Very good. A polite way of asking someone. Now, a leaf fell from the tree. Okay, that is correct as well. However, for 3 to 5, Mila, we can write it in a more understandable or correct way. So we'd say, wait, let me write my answer. Okay. I I go out to play after finishing my homework. Okay, I go out to play after finishing my homework. That's the answer for the third one, Mela. And for the fourth one, it's not my father worked early to drove this morning. It's my father, wait. My father drove my father drove early this morning to work. Okay. My father drove early this morning to work. And for the last one, Mila, this is not a question, but a statement. It's not did he wear uniform, Fred not school. It's Fred did not wear his school uniform. Okay, that is the answer there, my love. Fred did not wear his school uniform. Okay, now, my love, since we're done with this one, we'll proceed to another one. Are you familiar with all the fruits we have in here, Mela? Do you know durians? Do you know durians, Mela?
Um, no.
Oh, no, you don't. Okay, maybe you have seen this one in Vietnam. Wait, let me show it to you. Okay, this one, Mela. Do you know what's with your reaction, Mela? Have you seen this one?
Oh, I hate this.
Oh, you hate this, which means you have tried it. Why don't you like durians?
I don't. Yes, I don't know.
Does it smells good?
Hmm.
Does it smells good?
Wait.
Nó có mùi thơm không?
No! I hate this.
Hate this one? Why? Why?
Oh,
Why don't you like it, Mela? Why do you hate durian?
it has a very unpleasant smell.
Oh, okay. But because of the smell, but what about the taste? How about the taste?
Còn về hương vị thì sao?
How about the taste, Mela? What can you
Never,
say?
I never eat it, so I don't know.
Okay. Well, it tastes good, Mela. Um, Before I don't eat this one as well because it smells bad, Mela. But once you tried it, it's really good. It's yummy. Okay, so this is durian, Mela. What about mangoes? Of course, you know mangoes, right? Do you? Mangoes. Do you know mangoes?
Yeah,
Okay, oranges
yeah.
and bananas. Of course, you know this. Okay, so now let's have this text, Mela. And here we have a story, and all you have to do is to fill in the correct missing word. Okay, can you read it aloud, Mela? Can you read it now, Mela? My mother
My mother buy 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 buy
buy
mangoes mango right or orange.
yeah, oranges, Mela. Mangoes are not
Okay.
round. Mangoes are not round.
Orange whenever she goes to market because I like to bring fresh orange juice. My brother like mangoes and watermelon because they are sweet and juicy. Both my father and grandmother like to eat bananas. My family enjoy eating durian. We like the bittersweet taste and the strong sweet smell of the fruit.
Okay, yes, very good, Mela. There you have it. Okay, can you read this word again, Mela? Can you read it again? Taste. Taste.
Taste,
Yes, that's right,
taste.
Mela. Thank you so much. Okay, now, since we're done with that, let us have this one. We have here the new pet. Do you have a pet, Mela? I forgot. Do you have a pet?
I want a bed, but my father don't like it.
Oh, you once had a pet, or you want a pet, but your dad doesn't like pets. Okay, Mela. Now, if you have a pet, then what pet do you want to have? Do you want a dog? Do you like dogs, Mela, or cats? Birds, fish? What pet would you like to have, Mela? Mela,
Um,
do you want a dog? Do you
no,
like dogs? Oh no, you don't like dogs?
I like cat.
You like cats. Big cats or small cats? Oh, big cats.
Small, small.
Oh, small cats. The cat without hair? Or the cat without fur? Wait, I'll show you a picture, Mela. Do you like do you like this cat?
No, no,
Oh, you don't like it? You said you like cats. It doesn't have a
no.
fur. You don't like this one?
Wait, wait, wait. I wait.
You like these cats, Mela? Maybe this one, blue eyes. Blue eyes,
I
Mela.
like. I,
Good one.
I,
Okay. Wait, it's a picture. I can see it, Mela. Oh, I have to download it. Oh, I can see it. I can't see the picture you sent because it says restricted.
Tôi không thể xem được ảnh bạn gửi,
wait,
trang web
wait,
báo là bị hạn chế truy cập.
Yeah, I can see it, Mela.
wait.
Wait. Oh, okay, you like this one. It's a British short hair. British short hair. Yeah, I can see it now, Mela. I can see it now. This one. Oh, it's cute, Mela. Very cute. Okay. Oh, this one is. Oh, you can see it. Oh, can you see
I
my
can
screen?
see
This one, Mela. It's really cute. Oh, the kitten. See, it's
yeah,
fluffy. Oh, beautiful, Mela. Beautiful. You don't like this one? You don't like this one, Mela? Okay. Wow, this is so cute, Mela. I love it. Well, I don't like cats. Actually, I love dogs, Mela, but that one's really cute. Thank you so much for showing it to me. Now, I believe that would be all it, and I'll see you again on Monday, Mela. Thank you. Goodbye, Mela.